Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I'm a Northwest Indiana estate planning and probate lawyer, and today I'd like to talk a little bit about estate planning documents for your kids that are away at college. I know what you're thinking. Well, why do my kids away at college need an estate plan or estate planning documents? Well, first, I am not talking about a will. I am not talking about a trust. You see, your kids who are away at college, arguably, you might think of them as kids, but legally, they are adults. And as adults, you are no longer their parent or guardian. So if something should happen to them when they're away at school, whether they have to go to the hospital, whether they're involved in an accident, I know you don't want to think about this, but these things do happen. If something should happen to them, you will not have the legal authority to get information from the healthcare providers, from the hospital. So at a bare minimum, when your kid goes away to college, you probably want to have a general, durable power of attorney that'll give you the authority to do any business things on behalf of your kid. You want to have a healthcare power of attorney or healthcare representative documentation that would give you the ability to make healthcare decisions on behalf of your kid if they are unable to make those healthcare decisions. And you probably want a HIPAA compliant release. HIPAA is a federal law which protects and makes healthcare information private. So if you have a release then which your kid allows you information or access to their medical records, to their physicians, you can supply them with this HIPAA release, and you can call up the hospital, you can check with the nurses, you can check with the doctors, you can get the medical records so you can be in the loop. Imagine the news. Your kid is involved in an accident while they're in spring break. He or she has to go in for surgery. You want to run down to Florida because that's where the accident happened. You get down there, you want to talk to the doctors, and they say, "I'm sorry, I cannot talk to you." Do you have a release? Do you have a healthcare representative document? Are you his or her power of attorney? These documents are inexpensive. These documents need to be done before the incident happens, and it can help you in dealing with a situation that's also already going to be stressful, so you will be able to at least be able to correspond, talk, and deal with healthcare providers. If you have any questions regarding this, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have a great day.